We're super excited to announce native support for Monome with RNBO. This new collaboration requires an updated Monome package. You can find the package in the Mac's Package Manager. Once you've installed the package, hit Launch. You'll see there's a new RNBO section. Click on RNBO and the Monome plus RNBO patch opens. The first thing we want to do is click on Study 1 Get Connected. Here, highlighted in red, are a set of dependencies that we need to install on the Raspberry Pi running RNBO. These dependencies mean that the Raspberry Pi will recognize the Monome Grid each time it is connected. We only need to do this once. Installing the dependencies is straightforward. We SSH into our Raspberry Pi and then we sudo apt-get update, install serial OSC, install libload tools, and then reboot our Raspberry Pi. We need to get our computer's IP address. And then we need to input it into the text field in the patcher. Providing this is successful, we'll get a pop-up that mentions that our Monome is successfully connected. Now from the same Mac's patch, let's export this RNBO patch to our Raspberry Pi and confirm that we have interaction between the Monome Grid and RNBO. We should be able to touch the Monome Grid and an LED should light up. Be sure to check out Study 2 Interactions and Study 3 Sequencer in order to see a variety of ways of using RNBO with your Monome Grid. Another addition to the Cycling 74 and Monome collaboration, we've taken the EXP Polyphony drum sampler released with RNBO and we've added the Monome Grid functionality. You can take this patch, you can export it to your Raspberry Pi using RNBO, and you can immediately start making music. Find the patch on our examples page. Happy patching!